Next stock, Amara Batteries in the automobile space, battery manufacturer. Again, lot of hype because of electronic automobiles going electric. So immediately battery manufacturers, suddenly there was focus on that. While see the ranking, earnings rank is 53.3. Not good. Price rank is 68.1. Anything above 70 only qualifies for us to look at the stock. If it is less than 70, unless there is speed in the movement, there is no point in looking at this stock. Those stocks which is below 70. Stagnant sales, raising profits. That is one very bad situation in a company. If my income is not increasing and I am saving too much, what I need to do, I have to cut on my expenses. Either I have to stay hungry, not eat food, or reduce my expenses. How long I can do? After some time, I'll become a beggar. It will become like poverty stricken. So same thing with the companies also. If they keep cutting costs and increase profits, what will happen? Quality of the product will come down. Employees, if suppose employee salaries are cut or reduced employees, obviously company will not perform. This is a very early sign that company is having some problem. Unless sales picks up and with that profits, if this kind of situation continues, stagnant sales, rising profit, stay away from those companies. Even if the stocks are going up, no problem. There are beautiful opportunities available in the market which has fantastic growth numbers and stocks are going up. Don't run behind these kind of stocks which is having some kind of a mismatch. And Amaraja is a leader in the peer group. Problem is sector is yet to turn around. After about 2.5 years, little more than 2.5 years of downtrend in the automobile sector, now it is turned up. We can see all the automobile manufacturers are facing challenges with their production because they're not able to meet demands. I think about yesterday or day before yesterday also, TVS in their AGM they are told we are not able to meet the demand. Huge orders are there. So obviously when that kind of sales is coming for the manufacturers, ancillaries will catch up soon. So when ancillaries catch up, Amaraja will lead. As of now, no. This stock is a big dividend payer, yet yield is not great. That means stock is overpriced. We had talked about this in several stocks. Some stocks just always be overpriced, not attractive at all. And these kind of stocks, when they are overpriced, that means there is a lot of conviction from the investor community. So whenever there is some panic in the market, these are the stocks to pick up because they will just come for a blip and then go up. You can even make a list of these kind of like Asian Paints is one qualifier in that. Whenever you can keep observing these stocks, whenever there is a event that is happening in the economy and market crashes, just put money into these stocks. It will immediately come back. It will be like a throwing a ball down. It will bounce back and come. Like that only these stocks are. Insurance is buying. All others are selling. We already talked. Insurance is a business which is not accountable for anyone. They can collect premium, invest wherever they want. Whatever they make, they will give. If they make no, if they will give. Otherwise, they will not give. No problem. People are also okay. They pay premium, wait for 20 years, and take pittance back. After that, they will be cursing. But of course, whoever sold them the policy will not be there. Company also will have gone into a dramatic change. It is very few countries in the world. On the Southeast Asian countries only take insurance as an investment, while other countries in all insurance they take as security. So that mentality has to change. When that happens, then insurance companies will not go and put money into these kind of things and push the stock price. So buy zone for Amaraja batteries is 705, 730, 25 points move is there. While stock has become very weak, it can breach this zone and go down. Current stop loss is 686. So there is a lot of mismatch here. We can see leader in the group, sector is not doing well. Big dividend payer, yield is not good. Stock is overpriced. The buyer is a kind of person who is not worried about returns. Zone is above the stop loss. So need to be very careful in the stock. It can reach 686. So our views on Amaraja batteries, as of now, this sector is not good. While it is a promising sector because when automobile sales is picked up, we have to have a watch on this. It will turn around soon. And that time when a turnaround happens, be positioned to take some exposure because returns will be very high from the stock. So if you want to buy this stock, we have given a buy zone and stop loss. As of now, trade lot of trades are failing in this. Even 2 days back also there was one trade which did not give much profit, very small break even profit it gave. Well, today stock is up already. So do your judgment, make a decision to buy on your own, become responsible. Don't buy stocks which is not qualifying for your kind of appetite in the market. So this is for Amaraja batteries.